Guys, and welcome to the episode number 6 of the AC Milan Soccer Manager Career Mode. Now we are gonna enter into the new year. This means it's January and the winter transfer window has opened. We are currently in the top 4. Like, we are gonna qualify for the Champions League. That's our aim, and we are in the mix for that. There are a few others who are also in the mix. So yeah, can't wait to get started. Last episode I showed you the players whom I have transfer listed. And yes, I have decided to transfer list Kessie. Like, it could backfire me, to be honest. But yeah, I've decided to transfer list Kessie. And yeah, we are going for Timo Werner. And rest of the moves, well, it is going to be tough. But rest all the moves, I have to go cheeky. And I will be going cheeky. So hopefully the transfer window works in our favor. So yeah, without any delays, let's get started. So guys, before the transfer window has even started, Union Santa Fe have made an offer for Calabria. He's valued at 37.5. They've put 38.5 for him. Like, that has to be done. That has to be done. And the Ballon d'Or winner is Leo Messi. That's good. They overpaid by a mile, I thought. Oh yeah, we'll take every penny we get. We'll take every penny we get. Guys, transfers are just coming in for fun here. Like, 34 mil. I think the European transfer window is gonna start from first, and this is other continents transfer window according to the teams I can see. Castello 34 mil. I can have it. He hasn't had a big part to play in my team. Yeah, 34 mil for him. I'll take it. So guys, Castello has also left the club. This means that we can now go in for Timo Werner. This guy's contract is expiring. You know what? He's a youth prospect. Let's give him a contract. Let's give him this wage and loan him out. Now this is big. This is big. If we can get Timo Werner before the Napoli game, it would be like wonderful. It's going to be Timo Werner. Come on, Timo. Come on, Timo. He's interested. He has 2 years remaining on his contract. So I'm going to go in with the initial deal of 67.5 mil for Timo Werner. Hopefully it works. So Timo Werner transfer bid has been rejected, and board believes we can qualify for Europe. They say he's worth a lot more. That's not good for us. I'll give us, 73 mil. If it wouldn't have been for the pandemic situation, honestly, Chelsea would have to pay this much for Timo Werner, and it's reject. Oh my goodness, 99 for Timo Werner. 99. We can't even get near that. I think Werner, it's done. It's done for Timo Werner. 99 is too much. I can't get him in. I really can't get him in. So now guys, after the disappointment of Timo Werner, I'm going in for a cheaper option of Werner. Like, he's pacey like Werner. So yeah, we're going in for a cheaper option for him. Hopefully it works. And they want 52. I think we're ready to negotiate with them. I'll take 45 for Iñaki Williams. Come on, guys. He's a cheaper version of Werner, to be honest, and he has a lot of time to grow. He's a very good player, Iñaki Williams. He's a very good player. So the Iñaki Williams bid has been rejected. So I'll go in with 47.5. Come on. I want to save every penny of the money we have. I want to save it. So guys, we had to go with Parkwich on the right wing because Rebic is suspended. Then Benacer and Tonali start with Luis Alberto. And yeah, rest of that is same. But the squad depth, we need to get the squad depth in. And Milik has scored in the first minute. and Milik has scored again, and Kalulu has got one back. Well, this is looking like a very high scoring game. It's like a very high scoring game. Come on, guys. At least we can take a point, because Roma earlier thrashed their opponents. So we need to win. Otherwise, we'll go into the break outside the top four, which I don't wanna have. So let's go. Come on, guys. Come on. We can do it. Oh, I am feeling we are drifting towards a loss. And Kalulu and Pau Quecha has scored. What a comeback, AC Milan. Can we hold on to it? Come on, AC Milan. We have held on to it. Pau Quecha, the Brazilian, he was nowhere in my plans going into December, but he has had like a majestic December, I would say. What a player. This means that we would end the month in third. Like, not the month, but we would end it in third, right? Yeah, we would end it in third. 1 point behind Inter Milan. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Now they're doing too much. Athletic Club, like, okay, now it's too much. I'll give 50 for Iñaki Williams and just get the deal done. Just get the deal done. I'll give you 50 mil. Let's get it done. And now Villarreal want Williams, but we have paid them 0.5 mil more. This means Iñaki Williams is going to discuss personal terms. So now he wants this much. You know what? Take a 4-year contract, Iñaki. Now, so that we don't have troubles. Oh, sorry, I'm offering too much. He just wants 92k. I'll give him 92k, and he should be a AC Milan player soon. Yes, guys, Iñaki Williams is our first signing of the transfer window. We still have a good little 30 mil left, with obviously Kessie still not sold, so he'll give us around 40 mil. Yes, I'm very happy. And Juventus want Kessie. Juventus have put in 61 million for Kessie. Oh my word, he is probably an outcast. I would take it. 61 mil. Juve. Oh my goodness, Juve. Kessie signs for Juventus. Probably we made our opponents too strong, I would say, by selling Kessie to them, but yeah, I think it was a deal. It was a professional deal. Okay, it was a professional deal. So guys, after a lot of thinking, I've come to him. It's Klosterman of RB Leipzig, and he can play right back. He can play right back, and Conte is still young, so I think he can be a good right back to us. Go in with a 43 million. I'm not prepared to give him more than 45. Really. Are they good with 45? And Bayern want... Oh my goodness. Now, what do we do now? Our bid is 43. Bayern are interested in 45. Like, what do I do now? Klosterman is he can turn out to be a very, very, very big player for us. You know what, guys? Now, I think we should go for him. Like, he can play left back also. He can play right back also. He's a big utility. Come on. And Klosterman, is he ready? And Bonaventura, 12.5 mil. I can have it. Transfer bid withdrawn for Lucas Klosterman. And we have sent it again. Okay, I was confused for a second. Now I think so we'll be going into the match against Ascoli Picchio. Hopefully that goes well. And guys, Sandro Tonali has scored. Now we are at half time against a Serie B team. In, like, I would say this is Serie B team. at the San Siro. They have no chance of beating us. I'll give Begovic his first appearance this whole season. I still am confident that we're gonna win. I gave Iñaki Williams his debut because I'm thinking he can score, and Iñaki Williams has scored and Leao has scored. What a substitution. No, not substitution, but what a player, Iñaki Williams. He is going to be very good for us, and now that we have Iñaki Williams, I am considering switching to a maybe two-striker formation. We would have to see. And Klosterman is ready to discuss personal terms with us. Like, I'll give him a 4-year contract again. 86k is his wages. We'll have that. And he should be an AC Milan player soon. And complete, we're gonna play Roma. I take that, to be honest. Klosterman. Yes, Klosterman is now a AC Milan player. I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy. So I'm going for Joaquin Correa of Lazio to just strengthen our wings a bit. Like, we don't have, I would say, has good wingers, or we don't have depth in that position. So I wanted to do well in that, and I'm going for Correa. I'm going for him. Lazio are demanding too much for Correa. Now this is not good. 49, come on, Lazio. Get it to 43, Lazio. Get it to 43, boys. Come on, Lazio. This is turning out to be costly. Like, come on, what else can I do? It's tough. It's very tough. Look, guys, now this can turn out to be a meme, but I am going for a player called Jesus Corona. Well, I can't stop laughing. I know him, means I have seen people use him and making memes on him. But look, he's a decent player. He can play at right wing. He can play at right back also. Like, he can play at, I think so, right wing, left wing, right back, left back, and he can also play in the midfield. So yeah, otherwise we have Alex Telles also as an option. So we'll see. So guys, I'm starting Iñaki Williams on the left and Zlatan up front and Kalulu in the midfield, no Tonali. Hopefully it works. Oh, I remember we lost to Fiorentina early on in the campaign. Well, those memories are coming into my mind. Those memories. That was dreadful. Guys, Kalulu has scored. We made a few changes at halftime, and Kalulu has scored. And it's enough to get us 3 points. Am I satisfied with the performance? Like, Donnarumma had to make 6 saves, so obviously not. But Iñaki Williams gets his first assist in the Serie A. Hopefully he can score more goals than he can assist. Hopefully. Hope for the best. And Porto are looking for 35 mil for Corona. Look, Porto, you have Corona. Give us Corona without Corona. Well, that was a bad joke. That was a very bad joke. Again, Porto have rejected. You know what? 35 mil. Take it. I take it. Just give him. He can turn out to be a utility because he can play multiple positions, both on the left and on the right, which is very good for us. And Sandro Tonali has suffered an injury. He can't play against Cagliari. That's bad. So guys, Corona is officially a AC Milan player now. I'm very happy. So guys, Klosterman and Corona both make their debuts on the either flanks, left and right, and Leao comes in for Ante Rebic, and he has scored already, Leao, and Iñaki Williams starts up front, and Pavlovich has scored from the penalty spot. Caligari, they can give us a good fight. They are giving us a good fight. Leao, you've done well, but now I need to go all out attack here. 3 playmakers in the midfield. That's not good. Like Corona has had a good game. Klosterman again. He can play DC also. Klosterman. There's no problem. Come on, boys. Against Caligari, and Liao has scored another. I'm seeing Liao. He is taking up some good form, and Iñaki Williams gets his first ever Serie A goal for AC Milan. What a moment for him! And Rafael Leao gets one assist also, and Corona on his debut gets an assist. What a player, Corona! What a buy, Corona! I'm so happy. Guys, I think I am done with the transfer window. Like, I think I am done. I've made, I think so, 3 transfers. I've actually made more than that. I've brought in Corona, Iñaki Williams, and Klosterman. Okay, 3 transfers, and I'm pretty satisfied with all the transfers I've made. And yeah, I think this is all I wanted to do this window. And now we're gonna play Roma in the Coppa d'Italia. It's the quarter-final. I want to do well. Guys, after the form Leao was in, it only made sense to start him. So Iñaki Williams starts on the left. Like Zlatan, after the arrival of Iñaki Williams, Zlatan hasn't been looked at. But I think this game, I think we would need Zlatan. And I'll not be surprised if we need Zlatan. And Leao, he doesn't give me a chance to use Zlatan and Dzeko. Now what do I do? Now what do I even do? Tonali, the problem is like I think I need Zlatan. For Leao, probably not. Iñaki Williams, sorry bro. Tonali, I wanna play Tonali bad, but like we're gonna chase this game, and this is one of our only chances of a silverware also. So Corona is having a bad game. So Conchi comes in. Like I've used all of my 3 substitutions. Hopefully it works, because we are getting yellow cards on yellow cards. And Ante Rebic has scored. This can go into extra time. And Zlatan Ibrahimovic. This is why I brought Zlatan in. This is what Zlatan can do. He is a superhero, Zlatan. He is an absolute superhero. You can't tell what Zlatan can do at any given point. Like, he is an absolute beast. So I think it's done for today. Yeah. So guys, we'll see the draw and then go. We'll see the draw. Italian transfer window closing. So guys, we are gonna face Sassuolo in the Serie A. I'm happy with that. I can have that. And transfer deadline day is coming. Okay. So guys, today's episode ends here. It has been a great episode. We have made a lot of good signings. And yeah, I'm pretty content with our squad. And I think we can challenge for that top 2. I think we can challenge for the first position also if we can keep the firepower moving. So hopefully we can do that. And if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Still 73% of you aren't subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe so that you don't miss any latest content that I upload. So have a good day, enjoy the video, and please drop a like and subscribe too.